Okay guys, welcome to Mueang International Airport. Today I'm going on an Air Asia flight, and unfortunately I need to take the bus to get to the plane. Very common at Mueang, unfortunately. Seems to happen an awful lot for me anyway. There's a ton of buses there, and they park the planes wherever they can find the space and then shuttle people back and forth. I guess the airport is just that busy. But this has been going on for years, nothing new, but there does seem to be a lot more buses now. It's not a big deal, especially when you're going to the plane, but getting off the plane sometimes, especially with tight connections, and you park the plane miles away, it does take a long time and makes the connection pretty tight. I've had a couple of close ones over the years, that's for sure. In this case, as you can see, it's not too far. It still took quite a while to get there because the bus zigzags all over the place. It's definitely not a straight line. But at the end of the day, they get you there, and that's the main thing. It is a major inconvenience though, in my opinion. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. We're about to take off.